Good afternoon. This is the special update for Monday, July 7th, 2025, for a significant rainfall event that, well, looks like it's about to unfold. So let's take a look at some of the data here. Okay, so we have rainfall here this is pretty much what's left of Chantal, Tropical Storm Chantal, that made landfall during the weekend over the Carolinas. It's now lifting through the mid-Atlantic and heading towards our neck of the woods in the northern mid-Atlantic around the I-95 corridor. When we take a look at some of the factors involved here, first of all, we have a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. This is precipitant water value over 2 inches. Anytime you're over 2 inches, that means there's a lot of moisture in the atmosphere that will have the potential to be squeezed out. And notice we have a nice gradient that is focused on the I-95 corridor. You can see the lifting here that is approaching is pretty strong. And you can see the moisture convergence is taking shape from Philadelphia to New York City. So these are all signals. You don't even need model guides. These are all signals saying, hey, there's going to be a focus of significant rainfall here. You have plenty of moisture, you have lifting approaching, and you have convergence and confluence at the lowest levels of the atmosphere that is helping to lift that moisture. And so what happens is that as this approaches, from Maryland and from the Baltimore metropolitan area and lifts northward, we're going to see more showers and thunderstorms break out in this area. And you're also going to see this area of moderate to heavy rainfall march through southwestern New Jersey, central New Jersey, and off towards Long Island. Unfortunately, this is all going to be taking shape right in the middle of the evening rush hour. So you're talking about poor visibility, the potential for localized flash flooding. Rainfall could easily go over 2 inches in some locations. This is a significant tropical downpour that we're setting up here. And the only question is pretty much the lifting. Where does the lifting take place? How does it consolidate and set up? So we're already seeing some pretty impressive rainfall amounts here. Let's take a look at the rainfall rates here. 1 hour rainfall rate. And you can see with that area of heavy rainfall, there's our thunderstorms showing up, pushing rainfall amounts in an hour at 2 inches, over 2 inches. And then down here where we have our steadier rainfall, this is pushing over 1 inch. And when we take a look at the storm totals, and that is even more impressive. Okay, you're talking about over 2 inches of rain here marching its way towards our neck of the woods. So again, we have the potential here for some pretty impressive rainfall on the way. We'll continue to keep an eye on it. We'll have updates on X, on Facebook, on YouTube as we go on through